Surprise your senses. The easiest way to make a bedroom feel modern is to subtract, not add. Start tonight by clearing everything off your nightstands except a lamp and one meaningful object. That instant negative space sets a calm tone and makes every other detail feel intentional. In this video for Decor Like a Dream, we're exploring modern bedroom ideas that balance style, comfort, and function, seasonal updates, budget moves, and smart layouts, so your room looks designed and lives beautifully. Begin with a tight color story. Modern bedrooms thrive on two calming neutrals and one accent. Think warm white with mushroom taupe, lifted by muted sage, inky navy, or soft terracotta. Keep undertones consistent. Warm with warm, cool with cool. Layer in lighting at 3 heights. Glow at the floor, task at the bedside, and wash from above. That hierarchy creates depth, softens shadows, and makes even compact rooms feel serenely spacious and quietly luxurious. Choose furniture with slim profiles and elevated legs to reveal more floor, visually enlarging the space. A low, upholstered platform bed adds contemporary lines and sound-softening comfort. If storage is tight, consider drawers under the bed or a lift-up frame. Then pair with wall-mounted night shelves to free floor area. For balance, eco materials. Matte black with walnut, brushed brass with oak, or powder-coated white with birch, keeping finishes cohesive and textures intentionally varied. Textiles set the mood and invite touch. Build from breathable basics, percale or sateen sheets. Then layer a quilt for summer and a weightier duvet for cooler months. Trend-forward palettes this year include sand and charcoal with sage, clay and ivory with black, and monochrome mushroom tones. Add one patterned cushion or a boucle throw to introduce dimension without visual noise. Swap pillow shams seasonally. Rotating textures and colors keeps the room fresh without changing big-ticket pieces. Small room. Optimize circulation first. Map a clear path from door to bed to closet, then scale furniture accordingly. Queen instead of king, sconce instead of table lamp. Use mirrors opposite light sources to bounce brightness and extend sight lines. Mount a narrow shelf as a floating vanity or desk. And choose sliding wardrobe doors to save swing space. Corral nightly essentials in a tray. And hide seldom used items in high cabinets to maintain a modern, uncluttered rhythm.